Archaeologists in Egypt have announced new discoveries at the Saqqara necropolis, south of the capital, Cairo. The new discoveries include 2 human and animal embalming workshops, as well as the tombs of 2 priests. We found 2 big workshops, one for human and then used in mummifying animals, while the second workshop is for humans. We also found beds, mummification tools and materials. During the excavation, we also found a tomb that belonged to Ne-Esut-Ba, who served the 5th dynasty of the Old Kingdom 4,500 years ago.
الأسرة الخامسة بنتكلم على 4400 سنة عمر تقريبا.
Recently, Egypt has unveiled a string of major archaeological discoveries. The discoveries have been a key component of Egypt's attempts to revive its vital tourism industry. This is the first time we have discovered an embalming workshop associated with the temples. All the previous embalming workshops were related to Apis in Memphis. That means it is an important discovery to have found an embalming workshops here in Saqqara. We also found many statues representing the masterpieces of the art in the Old Kingdom, which date back 4,500 years. And we also discovered antiquities and pieces dating back 3,300 years that represent the New Kingdom. The crowning jewel of the government strategy is the long-delayed inauguration of the Grand Egyptian Museum at the foot of the pyramids in Giza. Egypt aims to draw in 30 million tourists a year by 2028, up from 13 million before the COVID pandemic.